What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Well, Tom Lee has a brand new prediction for the S&P 500 index by end of the year. Now, some of y'all might be asking, well, Richard, who is this Tom Lee guy? Well, let me tell you. Tom Lee, the head of research at Fundstrat Global Advisors. So he's a big dog in this whole investment world, guys. Been around for over 30 years. And he works for Fundstrat Global Advisors. Now, here's what his prediction is. Now, again, this is his prediction, guys. I'm just a guy on YouTube giving you guys Tom Lee's prediction. Please go out and do your own independent research before you make any investment decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's a YouTube channel. Please understand that. Now, let's dive into what Tom Lee just said. Tom Lee is bullish on the stock market, believing the S&P 500 could reach 7,500 points by year end 2025 due to strong seasonal trends and AI-driven profit margin expansion. He notes that while the market faces walls of worry, these are healthy. And he expects a strong finish to the year despite potential choppiness in the near term. Today, we are experiencing some choppiness. Now, the artificial intelligence giants like NVIDIA and the rest of the Mag 7 are weathering this storm a lot better, with the exception of Meta and Microsoft. Remember, they both reported last Wednesday, October 29th, and both beat top line and bottom line, but investors didn't like all the numbers. So both of the stocks took a dipsy after hours. But the rest of your Magnificent Seven, who reported last week, and that would be Amazon and Apple, both did better. And matter of fact, Google did okay as well. You only have one big one left, and that's NVIDIA. They are due to report Q3s on November 19th. So the market, in my opinion now, is gearing up for that. No expert, go do your own research. But Tom Lee believes the market is going to go much higher. S&P right now, I believe, intraday last week got to around 6,900 points. Tom Lee is saying potentially it can go to 7,500 points. It's a little under 6,900 points right now, 68 and some change. So there's still a lot of upside according to Tom Lee. But let's dive into a few more of these key points from Tom Lee. Again, guys, go out and do your own homework now. Bullish on year-end 2025. Tom Lee is bullish on the stock market, guys. Lee predicts a strong finish to the year with the S&P 500 potentially reaching 7,500, but could move towards 7,750. Not just 7,500, but he's saying potentially the 7,750, guys. And again, this is just a prediction, guys. That doesn't mean it's going to happen. Let's move on to another key point. AI and profits. See, that's a big driver, right? Wherever the AI companies go, the hyperscalers, the mega caps, typically the market follows. Tom Lee believes that AI is helping companies expand profit margins, which is a significant tailwind for the market, especially as tariff headwinds fade. Here's another one. Walls of worry. Lee acknowledges several concerns, such as AI-related job losses and tariffs, but views them as healthy because the market is performing well despite them. So there are some worries out there, but Tom Lee believes the market will overcome those worries. Profits put smiles on people's faces. That's basically what he's saying. Dovish Fed. A dovish stance from the Federal Reserve is also a positive factor supporting his bullish outlook. Y'all already know over the last two Fed meetings, they've reduced short-term interest rates by 50 basis points. And it's widely expected they will reduce another 25 basis points at their year-end meeting in December. That's what he means when he says dovish. They're taking a softer stance on interest rates. Let's reduce these interest rates to fight what? A weakening labor market, which in turn, when interest rates go down, assets go up. Potential for near-term choppiness. While the long-term outlook is positive, he anticipates potential choppiness as the market consolidates gains in the immediate future. And then the last one, Tom Lee loves crypto. Crypto rally. He also sees a potential for a cryptocurrency rally into the end of the year following a steep deleveraging. If you've been following crypto, specifically Bitcoin, it's been deleveraging. People have been kind of getting out of it. He thinks, boom, it may rally or rip by the end of the year. Again, guys, these are all Tom Lee's predictions. And I'm just going through an article here and highlighting a few of them for you. Please go out and do your own homework before you make any financial decisions. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be following the predictions of Tom Lee, and I'm going to hope for a 7,500 S&P or a 7,750 S&P by end of the year. That would make your boy extremely happy. So I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into my favorite ETFs, my favorite individual stocks, rain or shine, and just hope for a strong year in like Tom Lee is predicting. Y'all drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you're going to be doing. Are you going to be following some of Tom Lee's predictions? Or are you going to sit on the sideline and sit this one out? Drop it down in the comment box. Love to know what you guys are going to be doing. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Moo is going to give you some NVIDIA stock when you open up a new Moo brokerage account and make a deposit. All you got to do is get down to the first link in the description box. That's the Moo brokerage link. Click on it and get all the details on how you can get some NVIDIA stock. Don't delay, act today. Second link down in the description box is the Wealth Builders Financial Community on Patreon. Guys, all we do in that community is help each other build wealth, get to financial freedom, and passive income. If you want to be a part of our team, all you got to do is click on that second link. It'll take you over to Patreon, and then come sign up for the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'll call the Wealth Builders. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.